Welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Today I am going to discuss about three types of common error which we are normally facing the log shipping. So error 1. So we are getting the error the restored log is terminating abnormally. Okay. So this type of error you will get only when the secondary is configured as a read only. So I can tell you what is the resolution for this type of error. So as you can see, so what is this meaning? Why the restored logs is terminating abnormally? So there is a chance there were a connection to a database when the restore was attempted. So maybe some user is able to fetch the data from your secondary, and because of that it's not allowing to restore. So there is an option called disconnect user. So it's unchecked, because of that you are getting the error, right? So what is the solution for that? So go to the secondary database setting and check the disconnect user. Okay, if I can take the curve here, so right, you need to select the disconnect user in the database, right? Go to the database secondary settings and check the disconnect user. So whenever the restore will apply, it will automatically disconnect the users, right? Error 2, which is also very important. Normally we are getting the LSN error, the log in the backup set being at LSN which is too recent to apply to the database. I have pasted the screenshot also. So what is this meaning and why we are getting, I can tell you. So what is the solution for that? The single straightforward solution, you need to find the missing log backups and restore it manually. So there is a LSN mismatch happened due to some reason. Okay, so you need to find that LSN, the recent log backup, missing log backups, and you need to restore it manually in the secondary database. Once the restored, next backup will catch up automatically. So this is the resolution for this kind of error. Whenever you face this error, the LSN is too recent to apply to the database. So you need to identify the LSN recent missing log backups and restore it manually. Okay, so there are a couple of suggestions for this error. So from how you will find the recent missing log backups, so use the MSDB backup history tables or error logs. Okay, as you can see here, I mentioned in the notes MSDB backup history table, or use the error log, both of them containing the backup info, right? So you can use. As a caution, I have mentioned here, right, why this kind of issue, this kind of error occurred actually. If someone taken the log backups manually, and because of that LSN mismatch happened, and because of that this error occurred. So for as a caution, you avoid the ad hoc backups. If you really need the log backups, take it using the log shipping backup jobs, or use copy only option. Okay, avoid the backups. If you really need the log backups, use it the jobs only, log shipping jobs, and else you can use it the copy only option, right? So error 3 now. Error 3 also very important. So normally we are getting the error log file like the log backup.trn was verified but could not apply to the secondary database, right? As you can see here, what is this line? Error itself is saying the log backup.trn was verified but could not be applied to the secondary database. So what are the probabilities? So your backup set is good, there is no problem in a backup media, it's verified, but when applying to restore, it's getting error. So there is a chances on a physically maybe the directory and all mismatch, right? So what are the chances, the problems? So as I mentioned here as a caution, so when a new file is added to the primary database and the part of the file doesn't exist on the secondary server, this kind of error you will get. So what's happening here, as a primary database someone added the secondary database file, but the path, the physical location is not same from primary and secondary. So when the restore job will apply, on a secondary, it will be failed. It will be unable to create the database file physically. So because of that we are getting this error. This is also a common error in log shipping. So what is the solution for this actually? So there are two solutions. In a two way you can fix it, the issue. The first, create the same path on the secondary server. Second one, if it is not possible, then need to restore the failing log backups manually with move option. I would suggest use the same location, same path on primary and secondary, right? In some cases it's not possible also, no problem. You need to restore it manually with move option. Use with move option, it will fix the issue, right? So these are the common three types of error which we are facing normally frequently in a log shipping. There are many errors I cannot cover in a in a same session. I will come with another session, but these are the three types of error which we are facing normally in a log shipping. So which I have already described, what are the errors and why it's occurred and what are the resolution. So hope it's clear. For in the next video I will come with another topics. Till then, bye, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.